Okay, let's have a look at the examples in by JSON. Here you have the first example. We have it in a file called rake file. The first task, directory temp, it means that it's a directory and we have to create the tmp directory. Then we have a task which is building this file hello temp in a directory temp, and with this arrow we specify that it depends on the temp directory, and inside the block we have the action associated to this task, to this goal, that is to call the bash and create the file, the file in the directory. So when we specify with rake, let's say temp hello dot tmp, when we specify this goal, the directory temp will be created if it doesn't exist, and then the shell command will be executed. So we have now a directory temp, and inside it we have the hello temp file. We also have another. Let's remove minus of r the temp directory and start from scratch. Here it is, the command, and as we can see, the directory temp is created, and the command is issued. So again we have this directory with this file, or we can go for this other goal, temp choo, that depends on temp hello temp. So if we specify this goal, the corresponding action will be executed, and now we have in the temp directory the new file, and we can see the contents according to what it is specified. Then we have also the goal clean that removes everything. So we can write rake clean and remove the files. And there is no longer a temp directory. So this is the way it works. We have directory tasks, file tasks, and ordinary tasks like clean here in line 13. Using the default clause, the default word, the default symbol, we can specify a default task. So if I execute rake with no goals, the default task will be executed, which is to build temp hello temp. Here is the second example of JSON. We start with this file get ready.rake and the corresponding tasks. So we have task turn off alarm, and which simply puts this string. see a few details, how here cups is taken from the environment. We have inserted a Ruby code inside the rake file domain specific language, and this is the power of having an embedded system. Observe also here how we made an interpolation of the caps number inside the string, or how we specified the dependencies and ready for the day from the other tasks using this array. So we have now a rake file that we can execute using the option F, get ready dot rake, and we can specify the task from ready for the day, ready for the day, and we will have the different tasks executed. So since it depends on a turn off alarm, the first task to execute is turn off alarm that puts the string turn off alarm. We'll have like 5 more minutes though. So this is the way it works. Having the capability to embed Ruby inside rake give us the opportunity to make things different. For example, if we export the variable coffee cups to 4, then we can have 4 coffee cups instead of 1. Rake minus f get ready dot rake. If we specify ready for the day as the goal, then we have 4 cups instead. That seems to be enough coffee.